Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video that you guys are about to see, and hope you guys enjoy. Come on, let's go watch the video. Hey guys, before you watch the video, somehow my intro got deleted, so what you're about to watch is an unboxing of my Apple Pencil and my iPad 7th generation. I thought I'd let you guys know. Enjoy the video. Hi, I'm back. You are currently sitting on my tablet right now, and I'm gonna unbox the Apple Pencil. Sorry, there's a glare from my TV. Okay, how do you open this? Sorry, I'm new to this whole thing. Oh, got my trusty dusty scissors, so I can cut the plastic off. Wait, hold on. I don't think I need the plastic. Nope. Sorry guys, this is gonna be a long video. Oh, I got it. This is what the box looks like. Oh, there's a pulley tab. Okay. Designed by Apple in California. Sorry if you can't see it. And the pencil. Sorry if you can't see it. I'm trying to get it. So that is that. Yes. This is the pencil. Put that back in its box for a second, and let's see what comes in here. Ooh. Okay, you get a little, what looks to be like a charging adapter, and what I believe to be an extra pencil nib. And I'm assuming instructions. Is that it? Let's see. I think that might be it, folks. Yep. So, that is what is inside that. Okay. My first real unboxing of an Apple product on my channel, I believe. So that is the Apple Pencil, and next up would be the tablet. Okay, now I'm doing the Apple iPad 7th generation in 128 gig in Wi-Fi, and well, here we go. Man, A1 for the packaging, I swear. Okay. Sorry, the angle isn't the best. So I'm using my iPhone for my camera. Okay. Oh, got it. Oh, come on. I don't want to ruin the box. Sorry, give me 1 second. Oh, excuse me. Yay. Put the trash over there. this is the tablet. Got the space gray. Okay, here we go. This is it, guys. Let's turn it on. It's turning on. Let's see what else is in the box. You get the lightning cable. And you get the little instructions. Do they have the Apple stickers is the question. I'm sure they do. And get the stickers. That's the best part. And then you get the little instructions. And last but not least, you get the power brick. Okay, well guys, that is pretty much all it for my, oh sorry, I'm not used to this, so that is pretty much it. This is my, hold on, let me move my box. This is my tablet right here. I have to, set it up, and well, once I get it all set up and everything, I will do with my iPad tour. And well, yeah, see you guys later. Bye.